useless spirit. I was seeing this one and I go post them to the man. One useless native doctor, what do they call it? Saying they call himself saying they call himself Alusi in Anambra. I see you saying that you the sent spirit where they go kill people. People where come summon people for your shrine, where they all this, where they do this, where they send spirit, where they go kill people. Alusi. I see you saying it too. You the send spirits where they go kill people. See, even if your spirit go out, kill go. He said that he will kill innocent person in that community. And they challenge you. Send that spirit, make it come kill me. I go tell the children of God that you are fake. Nonsense man. Fake. When I go send this thing to them. One useless native doctor, what do they call Alusi? Say they call himself Alusi in Anambra. And they say with a ball cut to drop by your guy, have fun. Okay, when I go send them to them. When I look at the page, I see so many people following that page. You know why I'm saying this? They will send them to you so that they will carry this video to you. If you don't send that spirit to come attack me, now be say you don't fail you. You, the children of God, that are watching this evil man, man, I not watch him because he's deceiving you people. Men, I tell them type when I wear the type message, make the spirit to come kill me. I don't challenge them. I don't insult them now. This is what the children of God. Yeah, listen. David, they fight 66 what? Fight. One day, every man of God will stand for what? War. Maybe not tell me say I'm looking for trouble. Are you hearing me now? God will position me for what? Trouble. To give Satan trouble. One hour said, when I go see him, any moment from now, you go see him. I will put in picture. You see that picture where they address people evil. I will put them there. Because they want to do a lot of people from kingdom of God to kingdom of what? I disagree. I disagree. I probably got to work in our dress. He had a mere him now, my bedroom. But you know what? Man, notice they don't. No. He walks in a mysterious way. This God, he walks what? In a mysterious. And when I came out here this morning, he never said anything. He walks in him. Anytime you see me, they say I don't wake up. God will call me. No man will kill me. No man. I tell you, I am a prophet. Elijah look at people in his own era. He look at you as a king with your face and do what? Tell you your problem. Nah, you can't do anything. I'm not speaking on my own. God is speaking through me. I want to tell all these native doctors they are what? Tell the children of God that they are fake. If any man of God are not standing up to challenge them, no, I will challenge them. Because the more I talk about them, the more the children of God learn lessons. The more they learn lessons. I got to work in about send people after my father's burial to come and learn idiot. Momo. You dey crazy. You dey crazy. I crazy past you. And some of them when they look at me, I say that they see beyond themselves. They don't see anything. No. It was the demonic spirit they are using. Listen, some of these native doctors are, you can hit them, face them with fight and do what? Punch them. Do you know how many in a shrine that the shrine, the spirit. No, the spirit when they hear my name, they go run now. Go where? The one that begin call them here. Do you know how many they have summoned? If there's somebody in any shrine, come. That thing where you do where people never do before. What is that? Jesus, when they pick a stone to stone one woman, he asked them, if any of you that never do this thing, who are stone now, everybody do what? Drop the stone. If you are owing somebody and it's not meet up with way, would you kill yourself? You can't kill yourself. And he was doing that. I don't know why God carried me to that point. He was doing that to just so that people could not say, that's how they are deceiving people, wiring people, using it to buy car, using it to build a house. Because why? Most of you, when you go there, some of you have go there, one day, how far? Nothing. And some of you have go there. They go brainwash you. They go collect the one you have bring. After collecting your own, they give you more trouble. You cannot, if not somebody collect your money for street now, maybe for market, get boy at time, go give me my money. But you cannot go to native doctor because meow. That is the problem we are having. So many of they are the 419ers. They are the what? Yahoo boys. Because you people are afraid of that thing. Blood, where did they pour? Pour to where did they pour to where Mbayo Kumba was at it.